Ginpakita man sa International Criminal Court Pre-Trial Chamber 1 ang mga laragway nanday Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa kag Senator Christopher Lawrence Bongo. Ginpanglawag ni Senior Trial Lawyer Julian Nichols ang ila pangalan kag ginpang-flash ang ila pictures bilang co-perpetrators ni former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte sa maduguon kag kontrobersyal nga drug war. Magluwas sa iya yara man sanday former Acting Philippine National Police Chief Vicente Danao, former National Bureau of Investigation o NBI Director Dante Gueran, kag former Department of Justice Secretary Vitaliano Aguirre II. Suno kay Nichols ngalin sa ICC Office of the Prosecutor, may dugang pa nga mga co-perpetrators nga isa publiko subong adlaw kadungan sang pag-resume sang confirmation of charges hearing sang ICC Pre-Trial Chamber 1.
And this system of his became known as the Davao model. The Davao model was murder, not being tough on crime legally, as my friend said. And you have to think it's a little strange cracking down on crime by committing the crime of murder. Of course, Mr. Duterte did not commit these crimes alone. We discussed the co-perpetrators, including during the mayoral period. First, if we go to the slide, thank you, Ronald Bato de la Rosa, who was the chief of the Davao City Police Office, or DCPO, from 2012 to 2013.
Kabahin sa nangin presentasyon ni Senior Trial Lawyer Julian Nichols, kabombo mag-resume umpisa alas 5 karon sa hapon oras sa aton diri sa Pilipinas ang confirmation of charges hearing sa kaso ni former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte sa International Criminal Court Pre-Trial Chamber 1. Magpadayon lang sa pagbantay sang updates diri sa Bombo Radio Philippines. Mayroon man sang hearing sa Webes kag sa Biyernes.